Right now, I am in Benin Airport. But let me give you a scoop. I understand that Ruth is in the same flight with me. So I want to capture it. Just stay with me. I hope we'll be able to do this. Just stay with me. Somebody give me a scoop that we are in the same flight. So just stay with me. I took our earpiece. Just stay with me. Just stay with me. I have asked the hostess. The hostess said there is a crippled lady on board. I hope she's the one, so we can take her life. You understand? And everybody, if she's the one, you begin to share. We will give them terror. We will give them terror if that's what they want. I don't want to capture other people so that they will not be upset. So
everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about Bisiola. Bisiola just got arrested today by Pastor Jeremiah or that prophetess, I don't know. So the thing just shocked me. Say, what they gonna make the arrest Bisiola now? The woman be not mean no harm. She never did anything bad. She only just show us where this woman dey. Say maybe we fight for her. Does it mean say poor people now not get say again for Africa? Be me, I no understand. If anybody just talk, now to carry police they go arrest them. Me, I not can understand again by people. This one just shocked me like seriously. Bisiola, as I dey talk to Nana, they don't arrest Bisiola. They don't arrest Bisiola. Now the latest now, my people. The thing just shocked me like. Now Bisiola make us even know say the woman that they carry and they transfer and go Benin. So and now Kirikiri direct. Then they just carry and go. Kirikiri direct. Okay, what's it gonna make them now want to do this woman this thing now? The other day, Pastor Casey talk. They carry and they go arrest him. Okay, person no just get say again for Africa. Person no fit talk in mind again. If anybody just talk now to arrest them, me I not can understand again. Oh, Europe will not be like this. Oh, everybody gets say, everybody get talk. Like why be say, if something just the apple like this, everybody go just keep quiet. Now cripple will they talk about here. Now cripple. So we're not going to just expect say everybody just fold the hand because say one person will go carry police to arrest person. You know me we take a easy, not good. You understand? So Pastor Jeremiah, please, you just have to release this woman Bisiola because now good now she do. She not do bad. You understand? I beg. May you release her. I beg Pastor Jeremiah. Because Bisiola now go just come there. This same Bisiola don't fair come out for TB Joshua that time. But I don't forget. When they say TB Joshua Jogo do am. As he talk, rich, TB Joshua don't do that woman anything. I bet that man go bless her. In fact, that place where TB Joshua dey, I know say now the hands of God now he dey there. As they go humiliate that man reach that time, he can never use police to arrest anybody. He can never, you know how many people fall out for this social media. We know yet TB Joshua go arrest anybody one day. I beg, God go bless that man. This time we will just go there. Any small thing you carry police. Any small thing you carry police. Wanna take a easy now. If I can't get money, not to respect that for police. Okay, poor person now don't feel cry. Come out again say I did. What a pikin would they talk about here? See today now we never see know where that pikin dey. So the thing get I be. When this say Pastor Jeremiah when they come Germany that time, that's not 2 children meme. 2 children meme for hotel because they could say they now hotel that they lost food. Before they go, they could say 2 children meme like that. The next available flight now na pastor enter comot. Now he enter comot. Be better to not able see this 2 family. So I beg Pastor Jeremiah, may you bail Bisiola. I wanna share this video. Bisiola na don dey inside Kirikiri na my people. Bisiola dey inside Kirikiri. So na what I just make I put the video more on. So that make people go help Bisiola. As I talk to na Bisiola dey Kirikiri. Thank you, my people. Take care. Bye.
Right now, I am in Benin Airport. But let me give you a scoop. I understand that Ruth is in the same flight with me. So I want to capture it. Just stay with me. I hope we'll be able to do this. Just stay with me. Somebody give me a scoop that we are in the same flight. So just stay with me. I took our earpiece. Just stay with me. Just stay with me. I have asked the hostess. The hostess said there is a crippled lady on board. I hope she's the one, so we can take her life. You understand? And everybody, if she's the one, you begin to share. We will give them terror. We will give them terror if that's what they want. I don't want to capture other people so that they will not be upset. So I was sitting at the back, but I have to break into the ranks of people and ask them, please. There is a wheelchair now. I don't know if she's the one they brought that for. Just stay with me. Just stay with me. Just stay with me. Just stay with me. We will give her assurance that we are with her. Even if I have to sleep on the streets, they cannot capture me. Yes. So that is just it. Bisiola Johnson reporting live. I am in Benin Airport. Yes. I have searched all over Abuja. I didn't see the lady. So they said they have taken her down to Benin. So I have to quickly take another flight to Benin. I see that nobody, she's not coming out. Let me go far a little bit in order not to scare them, because I see maybe they don't want to bring her out from the airport. I mean, there she is. Is that Ruth? No, it's me. Why? Don't. Is that Ruth? Ruth, is that you? Ruth, is that you? I hope they didn't drug you. We are here for you, okay? We are here for you. We are here live on Facebook. Please share. They kidnapped this lady in Abuja. They kidnapped her in Abuja. Look at the lady. This is another man. Maybe he's the one that the police spoke to in Abuja. We will give you tsunami if that's what you want. Don't worry. We are here for you. Whatever they say you have done, we are here for you. That's man who pick her up. That's the route. Her children is in Abuja. Don't worry. We will follow you. Please share, share, share. This is Facebook Live. Yes, they are willing her. They kidnap her in Abuja. And now, I don't know where they are taking her to. Look at the lady. This is who Jeremiah. Jeremiah Oma for fair use. Yes. 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 I have captured you. I have captured you. Please, everybody confirm if she's Ruth. She just keep quiet. Maybe they have drugged her. Maybe they have drugged her. Please share, share, share. Share. Share, share, share. Look at her. This is Ruth. We have been looking for her. They kidnapped her in Abuja. This woman, a woman like you, they are using you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Jeremiah killed her son